This week we're going to be making another vegetable garden. This one was made last week. It was pretty windy this day, so I had to do a voiceover here because I didn't realize the quality was going to be terrible. So we're going to make another vegetable garden. It's going to be bigger than the one you see here. Our special guest in this video today is going to be our new shop foreman. So I'm introducing her now. You've seen her pop in and out of a few videos before. So we're just going to give you a quick rundown of how this is going to be simple. It's nothing crazy. So we're just going to show you how we're going to do this. We'll fill it up with soil. And then in a couple days, she can go ahead and get some vegetables in there. All right, we're building a new house across the street. So we went over there, grabbed some scrap wood, just enough to tie all the posts together. So the shop foreman's over there picking the wood up now.
So, hey guys, we had to pause for a little bit because we need to get some wood. So today we need the pieces of wood and
You gotta draw the lines.
so now we need to draw the lines and get everything started and get our thing ready and let's cut the wood.
Like this. Should it come like this?
Okay.
Maybe this is not a good. Yeah, there you go.
And always make sure safety first.
Turn the dust collector on.
Hey guys, so my dad's done kind of wood. So my dad told me that would be quick, so we're gonna start going there now. Then we're gonna bring it back into the backyard and fill it up with soil. And then we would be planting some seeds and watering them. And then when everything's done, we would be all done for the day.
I know we should use galvanized screws so they won't turn black and leach and all that, but it's just a simple flower bed, which is also another reason I'm just using a pine 2x4. I know it should have been cedar, but like I said, it's just a quick and simple little flower garden or flower bed. Vegetable garden? What should we call it? Vegetable garden? There you go. Yep, you're the boss today. So you tell me how you want stuff put together, okay?
Yeah. At least I'm only wearing these gloves. They're not really gloves. My mom just made them today. So I'm gonna be working with these ones. So, hey guys, we're gonna move this into the backyard now. And then we would plant soil, and then tomorrow we would do nothing. My dad's gonna be at work, and me and my mom are gonna stay here and put some seeds in and let them grow. And yeah,
Water them.
And we'll water them, and then that'll be it for the day.
We're gonna take this to the backyard and we have to clear some rocks. We have rock yard. So we had to clear some rocks so this can sit on it. We'll leave just a small layer of rocks for like drainage. And then once the rocks are cleared, then we'll sit this in place. And like she said, get it all filled up with soil.
And we would move the rocks around and see all those holes there. We would like fill it up, and if we see another hole, we would know that's from our pet gopher. And we will fill
Prairie
those
dogs.
up.
We have prairie dogs that don't pay rent.
And they live in our fence. So we whatever hole there is there, we're gonna fill out
We're gonna fill it up.
and be done for the day.
All right, you ready to get this thing to the backyard?
Yeah. That couldn't hold too much.
And bring it over here. Right there. Lay it down. We're upside down.
Huh?
Flip it. Alright, now take your side this way.
This side?
Right there.
It is a big elevator. Dad, do you know, that's my friend Louie. Do you know Ruby has an elevator?
Yeah, I saw it.
Where? Did it pull you guys up?
Nobody uses it.
Why don't they use it?
I mean, they do use it, but I just use it. Alright, we got this thing all filled up with soil. It's about 10 inches tall. We've got about 7 inches worth of dirt in here, or soil. So we'll get some stuff planted in here soon. We're going to germinate everything inside, then bring it out once it's like a seedling. That's pretty much it. Where's my shop foreman at? Excuse me, shop foreman? Can you come over here, please? Anything you want to say to the people watching?
Unless it was fun doing it. Like you guys came and did it.
You like doing this? Did you learn anything?
Let's start how I build it.
You learned how to build it?
And
And you cut all the wood, huh?
and let's you two guys.
You think they learned something? I hope so.
Unless you do videos so people can learn.
That's right, I do videos so they can learn.
And we